Welcome to today's video, Coconut Oil Pulling Secret for Stunning Teeth. Have you ever glanced at a photo of yourself and wished your smile looked just a little bit brighter, a little more radiant? If so, you're definitely not alone. Many of us have experienced that moment of self-doubt, wishing we could change something about our teeth, or the way our smile appears in pictures and in the mirror. Everyday habits like sipping coffee, enjoying a cup of tea, or indulging in colorful foods can leave behind stubborn stains on our teeth. Over time, these stains can build up, making us feel self-conscious about showing our teeth when we laugh or smile. Sometimes we even find ourselves hiding our smiles behind our hands or avoiding photos altogether. And it's not just about how our teeth look. Bad breath is another common concern that can make us feel anxious in social situations. Instead of addressing the root cause, we often reach for quick fixes like mints or gum, hoping to mask the problem, even if only for a little while. These worries might seem small, but they can have a big impact on our daily lives. They go far beyond simple vanity. When we're not confident in our smile, it can affect how we interact with others, making us hesitant to speak up, laugh freely, or even make eye contact during conversations. A healthy, radiant smile is often seen as a sign of vitality and well-being. But when we feel like our smile is lacking, it can slowly chip away at our self-esteem. We might start to feel less outgoing, less willing to share our true selves with the world. The search for a solution can be overwhelming. Walk down any pharmacy aisle and you'll see shelves packed with whitening strips, toothpaste, mouthwashes, and gadgets, all promising a dazzling smile. But with so many options, it's hard to know what really works. Many of these products can cause tooth sensitivity or irritation, leaving us frustrated and uncomfortable. We try product after product hoping for a miracle, but often end up disappointed by the lack of lasting results. The cycle of hope and letdown can be discouraging, making us wonder if a truly beautiful smile is even possible without expensive treatments. It's easy to feel resigned, thinking that a stunning, healthy smile is simply out of reach for us. The frustration can leave us feeling isolated, as if we're the only ones struggling with these issues. But what if there was a simple, natural practice rooted in ancient wisdom and trusted for generations that could help you achieve the brighter teeth and fresher breath you've been longing for? Imagine a solution that's gentle, effective, and easy to incorporate into your daily routine. The journey to a more confident, radiant smile might be closer than you think. Imagine discovering a simple, natural solution for your oral health, one that's been trusted for thousands of years, yet feels just as relevant today as it did centuries ago. This isn't a new invention from a high-tech lab, but a practice rooted in ancient wisdom passed down through generations in India. It's called oil pulling, an Ayurvedic ritual that involves gently swishing oil around your mouth, almost like a gentle massage for your gums and teeth. The idea is simple. As you swish, the oil binds to toxins, bacteria, and debris, helping to draw them out and leave your mouth feeling refreshed. Among the different oils you can use, coconut oil stands out for its pleasant taste, natural antibacterial properties, and gentle action. It's no wonder coconut oil pulling is gaining popularity among people looking for a more holistic approach to oral care. Think of it as a natural mouthwash, but with benefits that go far beyond just masking bad breath. Oil pulling can help reduce harmful bacteria, support gum health, and even contribute to a cleaner, healthier oral environment overall. The best part? You don't need any fancy products or complicated routines. Just a simple jar of coconut oil is all it takes to get started. No harsh chemicals, no artificial flavors, just pure natural goodness. Adding oil pulling to your morning routine is easy. Just take a spoonful of coconut oil, swish it around your mouth for a few minutes, and spit it out. It's a small step that connects you to a tradition trusted for centuries, and it can make a big difference in how your mouth feels throughout the day. Many people who try oil pulling notice their teeth look brighter, their breath stays fresher for longer, and their mouth feels deeply clean, like they've just left the dentist, but without any harsh treatments. Some even report less sensitivity and healthier gums over time. There's something empowering about taking control of your oral health with such a simple, natural practice. It's a gentle reminder that sometimes the best solutions are the ones that have stood the test of time. Oil pulling is more than just a trend. It's a bridge between ancient wisdom and our modern desire for a healthy, beautiful smile. By embracing this time-honored practice, you're not just caring for your teeth. You're connecting with a tradition that values natural health and holistic well-being. Even with good habits, we all battle common oral health issues. Plaque forms constantly and, if not removed, hardens into tartar, leading to cavities and gum disease. Cavities develop when plaque bacteria erode enamel, causing pain and costly dental visits. Gum problems like gingivitis start with redness and bleeding, but can progress to serious conditions if ignored. Bad breath is often caused by bacteria breaking down food particles, releasing foul odors. Mouthwashes may mask the problem, but don't address the root cause bacterial overgrowth. These struggles show why we need a more comprehensive approach to oral care. That's where natural solutions like oil pulling come in. Brushing and flossing are essential, but sometimes they're not enough. Our mouths host hundreds of bacteria, some hiding in places a toothbrush can't reach. Even with diligent care, stubborn microbes can linger, causing bad breath and plaque. Oil pulling acts as a powerful supplement, reaching areas brushing and flossing miss. Think of it as an extra layer of defense, reducing bacteria throughout your mouth. It doesn't replace your routine, it enhances it. Many people find their mouths feel cleaner and fresher after adding oil pulling. It's a simple way to support your teeth and gums for long-term health. Oil pulling is simple. Swish a tablespoon of coconut oil in your mouth for 15-20 minutes, then spit it out in the trash. The oil attracts and traps bacteria, much like a magnet picks up metal filings. Coconut oil is rich in lauric acid, known for its powerful antimicrobial properties. It's especially effective against bacteria like Streptococcus mutans, which causes tooth decay. As you swish, the oil becomes milky, evidence it's collected bacteria and toxins. Spitting it out removes these unwanted guests before they cause problems. This gentle, natural process leaves your mouth feeling exceptionally clean. It's a thorough cleanse that supports a healthier oral environment. Ready to try coconut oil pulling? Here's how to start. Do it first thing in the morning, before eating or drinking. Scoop out a tablespoon of organic coconut oil. Start with less if needed. Let it melt in your mouth, then gently swish for up to 20 minutes. If that's too long, begin with 5 minutes and work your way up. Use the time to multitask, check emails, make tea, or get ready for the day. Spit the oil into the trash, not the sink, to avoid clogs. Rinse your mouth with warm water, optionally with a pinch of salt. Finish by brushing and flossing as usual. This simple ritual can leave your mouth feeling cleaner than ever. Real people have seen real tangible results with coconut oil pulling, a practice that's been gaining popularity for its remarkable effects on oral health. It's not just a trend. Countless individuals from all walks of life are discovering the benefits of this simple, natural remedy. Take Sarah, for example. As a dedicated teacher, she always wanted to greet her students with a bright, confident smile, but she struggled with stained, sensitive teeth that made her self-conscious and hesitant to show her teeth. After just 3 weeks of daily oil pulling with coconut oil, Sarah noticed a dramatic transformation. Her teeth appeared noticeably brighter, the stains faded, and the sensitivity that once bothered her disappeared. She felt more comfortable and confident, both in and out of the classroom. Then there's Mark, a sales manager who had battled persistent bad breath for years. It affected his work, his social life, and his self-esteem. He tried countless mouthwashes and mints, but nothing seemed to last. Within a month of incorporating coconut oil pulling into his morning routine, Mark experienced a real breakthrough. His breath stayed fresh throughout the day, and he found himself engaging more confidently with colleagues and clients. The change was so noticeable, even his friends commented on it. Emily, too, faced her own challenges. She dealt with bleeding gums every time she brushed, which made her anxious about her oral health. After adding oil pulling to her daily habits, she saw a dramatic improvement. Her gums became healthier, the bleeding stopped, and her dentist was impressed at her next checkup. These stories aren't unique. Across the world, people are reporting whiter teeth, fresher breath, and healthier gums thanks to coconut oil pulling. It's a simple change that's making a big difference in so many lives. The most common reaction: genuine surprise at how such an easy, inexpensive habit can deliver such profound results. People are amazed that something as basic as swishing coconut oil can transform their oral health, and boost their confidence. Coconut oil pulling isn't just another passing fad. It's a time-tested, proven way to support and enhance your oral health naturally without harsh chemicals or complicated routines. It's accessible, affordable, and easy to fit into any lifestyle, whether you're a busy professional, a parent, or a student. All it takes is a spoonful of coconut oil and a few minutes each day. The benefits go far beyond just appearance. They can impact your confidence, your well-being, and even your overall health. A healthy mouth is the gateway to a healthier you. So why not give it a try? See for yourself what coconut oil pulling can do for your smile, your confidence, and your health. The results might just surprise you. Let's recap the key benefits of coconut oil pulling. It naturally whitens teeth, gently lifting stains without harsh chemicals. It tackles bad breath at the source by reducing odor-causing bacteria. The antimicrobial properties support gum health, reducing inflammation and bleeding. Regular oil pulling lowers harmful bacteria, helping prevent cavities and decay. It's a proactive, natural step to support your daily oral care. A cleaner mouth means a healthier, more confident smile. Now you know the what, why, and how of coconut oil pulling. The next step is yours. It's not about replacing your dental routine, but enhancing it with a natural boost. Try it for 2 weeks to a month and see the difference for yourself. Start small, stay consistent, and make it part of your morning ritual. Share your journey. Your story could inspire others to try this simple practice. Let's build a community of support and celebrate our progress together. Pick up a jar of coconut oil and unlock the secret to a brighter, healthier smile. Your smile is one of your greatest assets. Give it the care it deserves. Embrace the change and get ready to shine. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and subscribe for more content. And thanks for watching.